Concerning developments taking place in the Jammu region now, while the focus has been to bring normalcy to the Kashmir Valley, specifically where conflict has engulfed that area for years, another terror attack at the armed forces this time in Jammu region. Now, this time it was the Kothua district. Terrorists appear to have done a recce before the attack, like previously as well. They are aware about the sort of movement of the armed forces vehicles, but it's not just armed forces. Remember, there are the innocent civilians, the pilgrims in Riyasi, where even children were shot dead point blank by these jihadists. According to our sources, there are definitely local guides, that there are local overground workers who are hand in glove with these terrorists, are giving them some information and inputs, even though, of course, this is a busy stretch of the movement for the armed forces, and they are helping these terrorists in recce. Remember, most of these are Pakistan-sponsored, trained-backed terrorists. But how do they know and are fully aware about the movement and in this terrain? I want to immediately bring in Sunil G. Bhatt for the latest in that. And Sunil has constantly been tracking different angles on this story. And I can't tell you, without revealing much about his location, where he's at also reflects the kind of terrain that is. Forest area. Sunil, over to you. These jihadists have US-made M4 rifles, US-made ammunition. They are trained and backed by Pakistan. But eventually they are in our territory and are launching these attacks on our armed forces and innocent civilians.
Well, Pooja, as you rightly said, the terrain is a major challenge for the security forces. And Pooja, it took us more than 8 hours to reach this particular spot. So you can understand how far this, location is. And it's a very difficult, place to operate in, particularly for the security forces. And this region doesn't have a proper road connectivity as far as these villages are concerned, which are located on hilltops or in the dense vegetation areas. This particular area, road here is Kacha road, and the terrorists had done a proper recce in advance. This was a conspiracy they hatched, and there were a couple of local guides, local, helpers of these terrorists who helped them in identifying the hill routes and in identifying the spot where they could carry out this dastardly terror attack. The terrorists had taken positions atop the hills with the local guides, and the moment they spotted the army vehicles passing through that road, because the speed, the vehicles, have to move very slowly given the terrain of this area, and the terrorists took advantage of that, and they first lobbed grenades at the army vehicles, and they then fired at the army personnel. 5 of our brave hearts have attained Veer Gati, and 5 other army Jawans have been injured. They are battling for their lives at the army's Pathankot hospital. As far as this anti-terror operation is concerned, a massive manhunt has been launched. Security forces are carrying out an intense search operation across the length and breadth of Bilawar area. And Pooja, look at the terrain.
Show us. Sunil, briefly, quickly show us the terrain so the viewer understands.
So look at the terrain. Look at these mountains, look at the dense vegetation, look at the dense forests. So it becomes very difficult for the security forces to carry out anti-terror operation in places like these. And that is why it's taking time. And what makes matters worse for the security forces is that, unfortunately, there are a handful of, local overground workers who provide logistics support to these terrorists, who provide them shelter, food. And
the government has to focus, because people of Jammu, extreme nationalist patriots, they've managed to keep Jammu region relatively peaceful compared to how and when the Kashmir Valley was burning for decades. It's very sad to see the armed forces being targeted, innocent civilians being targeted in the Jammu sector. The government really needs an immediate review to find out what's happening. This cannot happen again. 5 terror attacks already. Thank you very much, Sunil.